Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we are up in the Andoer downtown area. Every Friday they feature this market, and we're just gonna walk down the street here for a little bit and see what we can find. Do some people watching. They have made some changes to this market over the last couple of years. A few years ago, or a year ago or so, when you come down here, they had tarps hanging over the street, blocking the sun. No motor vehicles could drive down this way. Now they have opened this up for traffic. So as you see, cars are coming up the street. They have it one way in one direction, this street, and the next street over is the other direction. I don't know why they did that, because today is not too bad with people, but when you mix a huge crowd with all this traffic, it can be pretty intense, actually. You like them?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, they look nice.
My foot is so small.
Yeah. Yeah, the tiniest foot I ever seen, except for on a baby. Hello. And as you can see, today is also Valentine's Day, so we're spending some time. What can we find to eat here?
Huh?
Yeah, it's lunchtime, so what can we find to eat?
Let's say.
Yeah, we'll go down here and find something. Yeah, no, it's good here today. Not a whole lot of people, at least not for now. Probably later, we're early. It's still, what, 12 o'clock?
Yeah.
Noon time. It's a better time to come up here to this market.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.
You renovate already. That's the one I saw before. We need to turn.
I heard that snapping, and that's the guy with tablecloth, vinyl tablecloth. Sounded like a gunshot. All right, here we're at the church.
Ay, kalasya mo.
Do they have shirt services up here?
I don't know.
Or we can come back. Let's go and look at the
Yeah, I
shirt
think there is.
service going on.
Yeah.
Let's just go and look real quick. What?
Give me this one. Thank you very much.
She gives you that one. Yeah, well, you got some change. I don't have any
I
change.
have a change.
I don't have any change.
I have a change. Good na. 40 lang. 40.
Yeah, but I have no
I have a
change.
change.
No, you have change for
Yes.
1,000?
Yes, 100.
Oh, there is one. Oh, yeah, okay.
Dalaway na mata.
I didn't know.
40 lang.
I thought I got rid of
Yan
those.
na lang sa'yo. Bali 8 ko lang. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mom. What is that? Lucky Charm? Lucky Charm? All right, let's go down here and go in that way. Yeah, well, let's go in here. Let's see if we can get in here. Starting to get a little crowded inside. But here is a place, if you look to the left there, they have some birds, fishes, aquarium fish, lots of fruits right here. This is right outside the entrance of the church. So this is one of the side entrances. Curtains galore. There's a lot of it in here. Kind of not my style, but typical Filipino style. And it's amazing how much products they ship in here for these Friday markets. We're also in the mood of trying to find us some food to eat, so we're looking around there. They normally have some carinderias, but today it seems like there's not a whole lot of it. So we'll see what we can find. Yeah, it's fine. If you want to eat, here. Is there anything that is looking appetizing to you? Huh? No? Okay. Well, then we go somewhere else. Yeah, that was not too appetizing. I stay away from food that's been sitting for a while. A lot of rose gold jewelry there, and cosmetics, and a lot of other things. Pile of underwear. They're actually pretty cheap. I think they're like 30 pesos and three for 100. No, they're more. They're 3 for 100, I think. And most of it that I buy is actually coming from here. All right, she's in the bra department. Well, I think this one's a little too big for your cups. That's D cups. Huh? 75 peso. $1.25 for each one. Or $1.50. So, as you can see, prices are fairly cheap. I bought some jeans and some other things here before, and it's a good deal. Let's down this way. I've never been down that way, so let's go down that way. If you want to have lunch, we could stop at Inasal or something. Somewhere. I don't know exactly, but you look sophisticated, huh? Huh? You like it? You don't like it? Yeah, they don't have my straight. I need metal frames that are 3.75.
Metal frames, like this one?
Yeah. But this one here, for instance, could be.
1.7?
Yeah.
That's not good for your eyes.
For driving, is it perfect? Most likely. Let's try it. They're locked up. All right, let's go. Yeah, it's good for everything. Let's get some rubber bands.
Magkano dito? 10.
Yeah, I don't have 10, but I might have
You
a
know
20.
what? I like this one because
Yeah. And then buy some rubber bands.
magkano dito, te? 10.
Okay. Dried fish. Small packs, 5 peso for 5 peso for 4. Yeah, we never gone down this way, right?
I
So
used to wear t-shirt like this.
yeah. Oh, charcoal. Just a little bit of food. And then there. Can you get out here? On the other side, maybe? Yeah, it feels like a prison.
Oh, the one is good for your like the one I wear.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it has that little massage thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I already buy it, so I don't want to spend.
Right. Are we lost?
We are lost.
Yeah, maybe. You can go out there. They got it here. Yeah, so this little alley I have never gone down in before, but I think we're coming out here on one of the main streets. Yep. The sun is hitting the lens here a little bit, but as you can see, you look at all the fresh vegetables, there is absolutely no lack. I don't know. I'm looking for food. We're still trying to look for food, and it doesn't seem like we have much of luck today. So I think the alternative is up the street, and that's what we're gonna do. Visit McDonald's for a Valentine's meal. Actually, we are probably gonna go up to Severa. There's birthday party preparations going on. Janice's father has his birthday on Saturday, so we're gonna head up there. What?
You should buy in that store.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, but today was a pleasant surprise. Not a whole lot of people, and that's always good to me.
That one is on the market is over there. Remember?
What?
The market is over
Yeah.
there.
No. We can either walk up there or we can walk down there.
We're gonna walk in.
You just walk up here. All right, so this is taking us towards the highway up there, and here we got a Yambuyendra. Yambuyendra is one of the larger grocery chains. You want to eat there?
Up to you if you want.
No. I'm asking.
Okay,
It's your,
okay. Yeah.
you decide today,
Why me?
because it is Valentine's Day,
So,
and I'm asking you what do you want to eat. Then you say,
okay, we eat McDo.
okay, good. And then we can walk down that way
Yeah.
and get our motorbike. All right, guys. That is a wrap of the market walk. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, hit the bell. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.